app. Okay, and this is one of the new app released by the Reliance, like Reliance Jio. Okay, and it is a tough competitor for the Zoom and as well as the Google Meet and other popular meeting platforms. Okay, we will go through the procedure exactly one by one. First, we will get into the login page of the GeoMeet. You can go to this by using the Google search. If you are completely new, you can click on the sign up button and you can give the username, first name, last name, and mobile number, and it will ask for the sign up. Since I already having my registered account here, I will be directly logging in. Let us see how this will works. It will usually it won't allow you to set the password. It will uh, allows you to log into this through the OTP. See, once you click on the OTP and then you can see this is the home page of the dashboard of the meeting app, meeting platform, and here you can plan a new meeting. And in this plan a new meeting, you can give the topic and as well as date, and you can set the audio, video, and all these things. For example, with respect to the audio and video for the host and participants, if you want to click make it as on, you can click it here, this radio button, or if you want, you can do this. And other way, and along with this, we will be having some other meeting options like enable join before host, like enable meeting or waiting room, don't allow guest users. See, when you click on this enable join before host, the participants will join before you if they are free. Otherwise, it will wait for you peoples to log in. And also, it will enable the waiting room until and unless you allow them. They has to be waited for this meeting platform when you click on this particular option. And if you click on this don't allow guest users, it will block the guest users. For this means only the participants who are invited, only those will be invited for this. Once you click on this, it will be saved. Okay, and afterwards you can click on this and see this is the overview of the meeting whatever you have created. Okay, and after which see there is a PMI setting is there, means this is the personal meeting ID settings. For example, whatever the meeting ID we will be creating, they will be all having a separate meeting ID. If you want to create by using your own personal meeting ID, you can make a permanent settings for those meetings, like a switching on the audio, and participants audio should be muted, host audio and participants video will be on here, and as well as I will be making both these things as off. Okay, and the waiting room will be off here. Okay, see this is one app. See, once everything is over, next thing is what we need to invite the people. We can invite the people either through the this URL, or you can click on the copy the invitation. You can copy this entire information, copy in meeting invitation, that will be copied to the clipboard. And if you want to share that one through the WhatsApp or through the messages, wherever you want, you can send it. Okay, by through that you can invite the peoples for the meeting. Okay, and the next thing is how it looks like, how the user interface looks like when we start the meeting. Let us go for the browser. Okay, it will allow you to join. It is taking some little bit of time because of this, and I will switch off the video. See here, these are the options we will be getting, like end meeting, record. If you want to record the this one meeting, we can click on this record button. It will allow you to recording. If you want, you can stop. You can click on this again, it will stop. And the chat room will be available, because if any participants can't able to this one talk, is having some problem with the audio, they can use the chat facility. Okay, and you can mute yourself and you can unmute yourself. These are the two options. See, once everything is over, it's fine, it will be, you can go with that. And see, this is the participants list. You can see which are all the participants who are there in this participants list. If you want, you can invite others and you can mute all, and you can give log the meeting. Log the meeting means what? Once you log the meeting, no other users will can able to log into this. Okay, see, this is all the Geo Meeting app. Once the meeting is over, you can click on the end meeting and it will take you to the review. If you want, you can give the 5, and once it is over, it's fine, it will go back to the home screen. See, in this way it will work. Okay, thank you all for being with this video. If you please give some comments and suggestions regarding using this GeoMeet. Thank you.